In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Zoho Email Opt-out in Zoho CRM. Email opt-out is an important part of keeping your communications compliant and respectful. In this video, you will configure Zoho CRM so your system can recognize when a recipient clicks to opt out, and then automatically update the corresponding field for leads or contacts. To do this, you will start in the module customization area. Then you will move to the email settings. First, go to Setup, then open Customization, and then select Modules and Fields. This is where Zoho CRM lets you control what fields appear on your pages and how they are organized. When you are on that screen, take a moment to confirm you are working in the right place, since module and field settings affect how users enter and view information. Next, select the Leads or Contacts module. You should choose the module that matches where your email recipients are stored. If your recipients are primarily tracked as leads, you will select Leads. If they are managed as contacts, you will select Contacts. Either way, the goal is the same. You want the standard email opt-out checkbox field available on your page layout. Now locate the standard email opt-out checkbox field in the layout editor. On screen, you may see a list of available fields. Look specifically for a checkbox field that is labeled Email Opt-out. This is a standard field, which means Zoho CRM supports it for opt-out behaviors and reporting. Finding the correct field is key, because enabling the automatic updates later will rely on this exact field being on the layout. Then drag and drop the field onto your page layout if it is not already visible. If the field already appears on the layout, you can leave it as is. If it does not appear, drag it into the layout area so it becomes part of the record page. After placing the field, click Save. This step ensures the field is actually available on your leads or contacts records, so when the email opt-out action happens, there is a place in your CRM for the update. With the field ready, you can now set up the email behavior. Move to Setup, then go to Channels, then Email, and then open Email Settings. This section controls how Zoho CRM handles email features, including how it processes recipient actions and updates CRM data. Once you are in Email Settings, look for the option that enables automatic updates to the email opt-out field when a recipient clicks. Enable this option. This is the part that makes the setup useful because it connects the email message experience to the CRM record. When a recipient clicks the opt-out link in an email, Zoho CRM can automatically mark the email opt-out field for that person in the selected module, according to the settings. After you enable the option, double-check that the change is saved or applied on the page. Depending on your Zoho CRM version, you may see a save or confirmation indicator. Make sure you complete any on-screen prompts so the setting is active. At this point, your configuration is in place. Your CRM records will have the email opt-out checkbox available, and your email system will update that field automatically when the recipient clicks to opt out. This helps keep your lists accurate and ensures that opt-out requests are reflected directly in your CRM workflow. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.